Tuesday, so of course we have to talk about the weather.
Yeah, and you know what? Today we really lucked out too.
Yes.
Didn't get a lot of rain on the parade routes, just a few sprinkles, and of course the kind of gray, muggy feel, of course. But we're seeing things pick up tonight, and we do have an active outlook out on our satellite and radar imagery. The red boxes in the background you can see, especially just to the west and north of us, that's a tornado watch until 1 a.m. And then, as we've been pointing out, there have been a couple of small tornado warnings kind of moving from around Jeanneret off to the northeast. And now we have not only a flash flood warning, but also a severe thunderstorm warning for that general area out to the east of New Iberia. So our severe risk tonight is still that level 2 out of 5. Looking at our radar, you can see this is that same cell that's now moving on the southern edge of Baton Rouge. Some of these little storms out to the west have also been bringing nickel-sized hail, but actually the main threat, I think, is going to be just a few high wind gusts. So wouldn't be surprised to see a few more of these warnings coming out in the next couple of hours. Right now, everything kind of stalled just to the west of most of our viewing area, but you can see Amite getting some rain, around Kentwood, same thing. And as I was showing you with our model, we are expecting this to very slowly inch off to the east, so that by maybe 1 and 2 a.m., we're seeing a few of these heavy thunderstorms, and especially these cells forming out where we've had the warmer air move in, the low pressure starting to move in, the cold front starting to move in, and all of this forcing these storms to form in possibly to bring some of those severe elements. So this would be by 3 and 4 a.m. I think most of the rain will be gone by 7 a.m. This model has us almost completely dry, but a couple of other models do have some rain around for early in the day. Through the day, though, we're drying out, it's turning windy, it's turning cooler, and it should be overall a nice but kind of cold forecast tomorrow. And then on Mardi Gras, lots of sun returns, and our temperatures will be going up just a little bit. Right now, we've had that gloomy look that we've had over really the entire day. Our temperature is around 70, but our high today was 77. Very muggy. Our dew point temperature about 70. That's about a summertime kind of mugginess. And our winds, of course, coming in from the south, bringing in that moisture. We are expecting tonight that chance for rain, and our north and south shore lows eventually will get probably to upper 50s. And tomorrow, we're hanging out in the 60s for the first part of the day, but then turning cooler through the day and also becoming windy with those winds north or from the west, actually up to about 15 or 20 miles per hour. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Again, don't be surprised if you're up early with a shower or two, but most severe weather or really active weather should be over. Then by lunchtime, we're still around 60, starting to see some breaks in the cloud cover. It will be windy at that point. And then for tomorrow evening, we have those evening parades, of course. 7 p.m. will be about 53, and then if you're out a bit later toward 10, we'll be dipping into the 40s, but with a wind probably still up to 15 miles per hour tomorrow evening. It could feel several degrees cooler, so you might even want to think, if you're out especially later, about maybe some gloves or a hat. Some things you may not have needed in some time. Mardi Gras Day, look at this. Almost a perfect forecast, but it is cool. You might want to layer up as we do have temperatures starting in the morning in the 40s and rising through the 50s during the afternoon. So lots of sunshine, winds from the north, maybe a bit breezy at times, up to about 15 miles per hour. So Mardi Gras this year looking good. Our 7-day forecast shows beyond that, Ash Wednesday warming up just a touch, looking very pleasant, partly cloudy skies, and then Thursday too, same thing, but a little warmer. Our next rain chance will come Friday and Saturday. Decent chance for mainly showers, maybe a couple storms on Saturday too. And then we're drier for Sunday. But do stay alert tonight just in case you get one of those warnings. Of course, we'll be here watching everything really closely for you as we do continue with that severe threat, a low-end severe threat, but it will be there for the next few hours for the New Orleans area.